Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm here to guide you on downloading Axis Bank loan app for your iPhone. In this video, we will walk you through the simple process of getting the Axis Bank loan app on your iPhone device. If you are in need of quick access to loans with flexible repayment option, Axis Bank loan app has you covered. First of all, connect your iPhone with internet, either Wi-Fi or data. Once you are connected to the internet, now locate the App Store on your device. It's usually a blue icon with a white letter A. Tap on it. Once you are in the App Store, you have to hit that search button. It looks like a magnifying glass. Type in Axis Bank Loan app and hit enter. Here, you get to see the lot of apps related to the Axis Bank regarding the nation. So, we have to go through this app, Axis Bank Prepay Go. After you open the app page, you will see the Get option in blue icon. Tap on it. Your iPhone might ask you for your Apple ID password or to use Face ID or Touch ID. Don't worry, that's just to make sure it's really you. Type your Apple ID password. Once you have done that, the app will start downloading. And that's it. Your download is complete. You can open it directly through the App Store, or you will see the app or icon right there on your home screen. So this is the way you download the Axis loan app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.